How to use Amazon gift card. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you and how you can do this easily. Now, if someone have gifted you a Amazon gift card and you want to use to redeem it, all you have to do is to basically head over to your browser. You could be using mobile device or a Windows computer. From here, you can just go ahead and search for redeem Amazon gift cards, and you want to navigate through the official website, which is amazon.com/helps-us-customers/display. From here, you will then go ahead and see the full instructions on how you can go ahead and claim your gift card. Now, I redirect you into the official display right here because maybe on some other time they will go ahead and update this instruction. So you can just head over to the official instructions right here. Now, once inside, you can then go ahead and click on their official link, which is the redeem gift cards. Now, right after signing in, you will then be redirected in order to enter the details of your gift card right here. And from there, you will be able to claim it into your Amazon account. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.